Good morning, guys. This is Mrs. Filiatru. I'm sorry I can't be with you today, but I wanted to tell you what we were doing. We're continuing with our compare and contrast writing. We're at our next step. We are pre-writing. You guys saw the topics that we were going to do yesterday. So today, you guys were going to go into breakout rooms and do some research and pre-writing, but we can't do that. So here is what we are going to do. I'm sending you this sheet. It's 2 pages. It is to help you pre-write. So you will put one person here from the choice that we gave yesterday, and you'll see those choices again in a second. And then the other person in this column. And then you're going to just write about them, find facts about them from the websites that I give you. So what was their early life like? What did they do or what did they invent? We had some inventors, we had some artists, we had some athletes, we had some musicians, some poets, we also had some world leaders, good and bad. So, what did they do or what did they invent? One in each column. And then, what influences did they have on the country or world? Some influences were great, some influences were not so good. So compare and contrast those. For right now, we're just really finding the major facts about them. The compare and contrast will come when we start our writing. So as you can see, this is how you're going to set your paper up. What did they do in their early life? What did they do or invent? And what were their influences, or what influences did they have on the country and world? Those are the sections of your paper that you will have, along with an introduction and a conclusion. So today you are searching for facts about each of the people you are using in your compare and contrast. The second page of this document lists all of the people that we talked about yesterday that you could research. It also has a website for you to go to research for each one. So while you are looking at each person, remember, have this close by you so that you can fill it out as you go. Do not forget to bring this to class tomorrow because we will, or no, Monday. Monday. Bring it to class Monday. Sorry, it's Thursday. So bring it to class Monday because we will be working on it and starting to put our paper together in that first draft. This week, remember, tomorrow you will have a USA Test Prep assignment in your account that pops up, and in that place, in that assignment, there will be a constructed response place for you guys to copy and paste your narrative writing that you worked on while we were reading 100 Dresses. So you will see a place to write or to copy paste that assignment in USA Test Prep. I can't wait to read your narratives because I know that some of you are getting so creative with that narrative. Also, you will also turn this assignment in a USA Test Prep assignment. So we're going to work on it. I'm going to give you some time to finish it, and next week we'll talk about when you're going to be able to turn this assignment in to me. I hope you guys have a good day and a good weekend, and I will see everybody back in class on Monday morning. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll be out of the office today, but I will be back in the office tomorrow, so if you need me, just send me an email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can on Friday morning. Have a good day, guys. See you guys later. I will miss you today. Bye.